मुझे तुमसे कुछ चाहिए। I need something from you. I need something from you. आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है। The weather is really nice today. The weather is really nice today. मैं सब कुछ भूल गया। I forgot everything. I forgot everything. वो बहुत धीरे बोलता है। He speaks very slowly. He speaks very slowly. तुम समय पर क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come on time? Why didn't you come on time? मुझे यहाँ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा। I am not feeling good here. I am not feeling good here. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? उसने मुझसे कुछ नहीं कहा। He didn't say anything to me. He didn't say anything to me. अब मैं जा रहा हूँ। I am going now. I am going now. मुझे बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आया। I didn't understand at all. I didn't understand at all. मैं अभी बहुत व्यस्त हूँ। I am very busy right now. I am very busy right now. तुम्हारा फ़ोन कहाँ है? Where is your phone? Where is your phone? यह बात तुमने कब कही? When did you say this? When did you say this? क्या हम थोड़ी देर बैठे? Shall we sit for a while? Shall we sit for a while? मुझे जल्दी जाने दो। Let me go early. Let me go early. मैं यह काम कर लूँगा। I'll do this work. I'll do this work. यह सब किसने किया है? Who has done all this? Who has done all this? मैं बहुत समय से इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ। I have been waiting a long time. I have been waiting a long time. तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Why didn't you tell me earlier? मुझे तुम्हारी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं। I don't need you. I don't need you. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज़ हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? मैं कल तक आ जाऊँगा। I'll come by tomorrow. I'll come by tomorrow. उसे कुछ भी पता नहीं। He doesn't know anything. He doesn't know anything. यह काम अब मुश्किल है। This work is tough now. This work is tough now. हमें अब चलना चाहिए। We should leave now. We should leave now. यह सब किसके लिए था? Who was all this for? Who was all this for? मुझे कुछ खास नहीं चाहिए। I don't need anything special. I don't need anything special. क्या हम अब जा सकते हैं? Can we leave now? Can we leave now? वो हर बात टाल देता है। He avoids everything. He avoids everything. तुम हमेशा देर से आते हो। You always come late. You always come late. मुझे वहाँ जाना ही होगा। I must go there. I must go there. इस बार तुम जीत गए। You won this time. You won this time. मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो। Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. मुझे थोड़ा आराम चाहिए। I need some rest. I need some rest. यह बात किसी को मत बताना. Don't tell this to anyone. Don't tell this to anyone. उसने मुझसे माफी मांगी. He apologized to me. He apologized to me. मुझे इसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी. I didn't expect this. I didn't expect this. तुमसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. क्या हम साथ चल सकते हैं? Can we go together? Can we go together? मैं दोबारा कोशिश करूँगा. I'll try again. I'll try again. वो मुझसे नाराज लग रहा है. He seems upset with me. He seems upset with me. अब मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. क्या तुम सच बोल रहे हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? मुझे अब कुछ कहना है. I have something to say now. I have something to say now. यह बात मजाक नहीं है. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. तुमने मुझे बहुत बदल दिया. You changed me a lot. You changed me a lot. मैं ये बात भूल जाऊंगा. I'll forget this matter. I'll forget this matter. वो अब मुझसे दूर है. He is far from me now. He is far from me now. मुझे खुद पर भरोसा है. I trust myself. I trust myself. क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? वो अब पहले जैसा नहीं. He is not the same now. He is not the same now. मुझे तुम पर शक है. I doubt you. I doubt you. मैं उसे मना कर दूंगा. I'll say no to him. I'll say no to him. क्या तुम मुझसे जलते हो? Are you jealous of me? Are you jealous of me? अभी कुछ भी तय नहीं है. Nothing is decided yet. Nothing is decided yet. अब बात आगे बढ़ गई. Things have gone ahead now. Things have gone ahead now. तुमने मुझे बहुत रुलाया. You made me cry a lot. You made me cry a lot. हम कल फिर मिलेंगे. We'll meet again tomorrow. We'll meet again tomorrow. मुझे यह काम पसंद है. I like this work. I like this work. वो हर बात टालता है. He avoids everything. He avoids everything. उसे अब कुछ समझ आ गया. Now he has understood something. Now he has understood something. क्या तुम मुझसे खुश हो? Are you happy with me? Are you happy with me? यहाँ रुकना अब ठीक नहीं. Staying here isn't right now. Staying here isn't right now. यह सब क्यों हो रहा है? Why is this all happening? Why is this all happening? मैंने किसी से कुछ नहीं कहा. I didn't tell anyone anything. I didn't tell anyone anything. तुमसे बात करके अच्छा लगा. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. क्या तुम भी यही सोचते हो? Do you think the same? Do you think the same? अब मैं तुम्हें पहचान गया. Now I know you. Now I know you. मुझे उस पर दया आती है. I feel pity for him. I feel pity for him. मैं हर दिन कोशिश करता हूँ. I try every single day. I try every single day. क्या तुमने सब कुछ देखा? Did you see everything? Did you see everything? हम बहुत पहले मिल चुके हैं. We met long ago. We met long ago. मुझे उसका जवाब चाहिए था. I wanted his reply. I wanted his reply. अब मैं रुक नहीं सकता. I can't stop now. I can't stop now. चलो अब कुछ खा लेते हैं. Let's eat something now. Let's eat something now. अब मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ. I am not alone now. I am not alone now. उसने मेरी कोई मदद नहीं की. He didn't help me at all. He didn't help me at all. मैं अब पीछे नहीं हटूंगा. I won't step back now. I won't step back now. क्या हम बाद में मिले? Shall we meet later? Shall we meet later? मुझे उसका तरीका पसंद नहीं. I don't like his way. I don't like his way. तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. You did really well. You did really well. मैं किसी का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. I'm waiting for someone. I'm waiting for someone. तुमने बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया. You gave a great answer. You gave a great answer. अब मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't need anything now. I don't need anything now. मुझे नींद बहुत आ रही है. I am feeling very sleepy. I am feeling very sleepy. क्या अब कुछ बचा है? Is anything left now? Is anything left now? तुमने मेरी इज्जत रख ली. You saved my respect. You saved my respect. मुझे उससे कुछ नहीं कहना. I don't want to say anything to him. I don't want to say anything to him. वो बहुत जल्दी भूल जाता है. He forgets things quickly. He forgets things quickly. मैं अब किसी पर भरोसा नहीं करता. I don't trust anyone now. I don't trust anyone now. क्या तुम अभी फुर्सत में हो? Are you free right now? Are you free right now? अब बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late now. It's too late now. सब कुछ पहले जैसा हो गया. Everything is back to normal. Everything is back to normal. मैं तुम्हारे बिना अधूरा हूँ. I am incomplete without you. I am incomplete without you. चलो अब कहीं बाहर चलते हैं. Let's go out somewhere now. Let's go out somewhere now. मुझे अब भी तुमसे प्यार है. I still love you. I still love you. उसने फिर कुछ नहीं बोला. He didn't say anything again. He didn't say anything again. तुमने जो किया ठीक किया. What you did was right. What you did was right. अब बस बहुत हो गया. That's enough now. That's enough now. मुझे उससे फिर मिलना है. I want to meet him again. I want to meet him again. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.